Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today we're going to make quick and easy sesame chicken. For this recipe, you need cornstarch, garlic, black pepper, chili garlic sauce, honey, sesame seeds, an egg, salt, and chicken breast. The first step is to heat up your oil. Now I'm going to cut my chicken breast in half. Now I'm going to cut my chicken into smaller pieces. I like cutting my chicken on an angle. And now I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper, and 1 cup of cornstarch. So now you gotta mix it well. Make sure everything's coated. Oops, I almost forgot. You have to put an egg with the cornstarch. And now we gotta mix it again. Now you have to fry your chicken pieces. While the chicken is frying, I'm going to mince some garlic. Now that the chicken is golden brown, we can take it out and set it to the side. And now we're going to make our sauce. First, we have to put the garlic in the pan. Step 2 is to put the chili garlic sauce. And then you have to mix it together. Next step is to put honey. Our final step for our sauce is to put half a cup of water. Leave it on low and let it simmer. For flavor, sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Now add your chicken and start mixing it around. Plate your sesame chicken with boiled white rice. And top it off with some sesame seeds. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make sesame chicken, so can you.